Oh, hello there. Welcome. It's time for another episode of Jim's Retro Retreat. So I've fired up the old virtual Amiga and I'm going to be playing a rather splendid game called D-Generation. Okay, think of this as a kind of futuristic sci-fi Die Hard, where we have to ascend a skyscraper to discover some kind of mystery. Anyway, there's an intro, so we'll let that do the explaining. That's us there. Jetpacking down. Genok Biolabs, Singapore. You had been at your apartment in Paris when the call came in. Hours later, after flying the length of Asia, over the Himalayas and the radioactive deserts of Kazakhstan, you arrive in Singapore carrying an urgent package for the scientist Derrida. Genok brought in Derrida to head the Special Operations Lab, the super secret research wing charged with designing the next generation biomedicines. The message you received from Derrida was panicked and desperate. Perhaps there had been some accident and the labs are now contaminated with a lethal virus. Or even worse. What could be worse than a virus, eh? Mutant fucking balls is what? That eat you? Yes, all hell's broken loose. You land on the 80th floor, setback, finding nobody there to accept the package. That's our jetpack there. The door seals itself behind you. The bolts lock into place. Killer boots, man. Lovely. Excuse me, but I'm going to need a signature for this, ma'am. Ma'am? Yeah, she's on the floor and one of her fucking shoes has fallen off. I don't think she's okay, old chum. Anyway, right, this is just a demo, so let's crack on. So, I'm playing the AGA version. I used to play the 500 version back in the day. It's more or less identical, the only difference being that this one has a very nice sinister pulsing in the background, which I really liked. So I thought I'd play this version just for the hell of it. It has a very nice style as well. It reminds me of Tron, perhaps. This kind of, it's got an 80s feel to it, like this incredible jumpsuit that he's wearing with the killer boots. And yeah, so yeah, bear in mind kind of Die Hard. But yeah, we're trying to solve this mystery if something's gone wrong. So see the tiny little dot there, that pixel that flashes. So we've just been noticed by the security systems and they've locked us in. So some shit's gone down here. It's gone haywire. This would make an incredible film, by the way, I think. I always thought that. Okay, so that turret there will shoot us, so we have to deactivate that. The 500 version had a really nice, it had a more of a, it did that kind of sound every time you did a switch. It was a bit more tactile, I would say. This, you don't really hear the switches so much. Okay, so once we've made a room secure, we can rescue the people that might be here. So this is the lady that was on the floor before, but she seems to be okay here. Oh no, you're the courier, right? Bloody well, better believe it. Yes, I am. It's about time you got here. I've had Derrida screaming in my ear all day, and now this whole place is going crazy. I don't know what's in that package, but it better be important, you bastard. Okay, who's Derrida? What's going on here? A doctor, a scientist, I don't know. Does this look like an information booth? Crikey, she's a bit snarky. Where is Derrida? From what I've heard, he's somewhere on the top floor, but with this security system and all, you haven't got a chance of reaching him now. I need to know how to get there, okay? Hey, listen, Don't even try to get that package to him now. I've heard stories about what they make up there. Viruses, instant Alzheimer's, things that could mess you up for life. Bloody hell, that's sinister, isn't it? You seem like a nice enough guy. Stay here. It can't be too long before someone on the outside figures out what's going on. You're not much of a hero, but Derrida, whoever he is, needs the package, and there must be more people trapped up there who need help. You put any fear behind you and decide to push on. What a guy. I'm going to find Derrida, okay? Suit yourself. It's your life. Just do me a favour and get me out of here. Okay, fair enough. Right, it's best to use the enter button for this bit because when you're switching through the dialogue, because else once you've got the laser gun, you can quite easily blow them away by accident. So yeah, we've rescued a person. You've just got to lead them to where the arrow is. You start off with 5 lives. For every person you save, you get an extra life. So if we bring up the status, so we've got 6 lives, rescued 1. We haven't got any grenades or security level 0. We're on floor 80 and it's scene 8, whatever the hell that means. We've also got an inventory there, so that's the package. So the package is sealed with an electronic lock. It is addressed to J. Derrida, Genok Biotech, Singapore. The return address reads Genok Neural Research, Jyväskylä, Finland. No other markings are visible. Okay, so we can't open the package because the bastard's locked. Who knows what's in there? We can also interact with the computers, so let's get on it. 6th of June, 4:05. From Derrida to Monique, Resvi and Katrina Chu. I've been waiting for a very important package since yesterday. The moment it's delivered, you must notify me. Monique, when the package comes, you must tell me immediately. It cannot wait. We are having difficulties with one of our prototypes. I will send an assistant down to your desk presently. You must remain there until he arrives. J. Derrida. Okay, so we are a bit late. I don't think we're going to get a tip for this. That's an electronic plate. If we step on it, we will die. So this is to open a door that will requires a key. So we got to go and get a bloody key. It's a nice view out there of a fucking great city. Okay. Okay, so those turrets fire grenades, those spiky balls, which will kill us in one go. So we have to deactivate that fucker. I like his walking movement. Sound. There's the key. And that deactivates that turret. There's also a secret here. There we are, secret door over there. A switch to open that door. Okay, let's see who this chap is. Howdy! Thanks for dropping by. My bad back and I were getting a little impatient. Let's talk to him. Do you know what's going on? Strange, I was going to ask you that. Who are you? I'm Gehrmund, one of the 3 founders of Genok. I'm retired now. Why are you here? My brother asked me to come here. Said he wanted to bring me in on something. Must have been awfully important. Usually only calls me on my birthday. He's not a very nice brother, is he? What was so important? I wish I knew, but I'll give you even odds that it was some new shady deal. The scoundrels he's been dealing with lately. I don't know. Who is Derrida? Where is Derrida? Well, I think we know where he is. Derrida? I don't know. My brother hired him a few years ago for some special research. Put him on some huge salary. Never met him. So that's what I know. Can we leave now? I want to carry on talking. No, he doesn't want it. Okay, see, he's got a nice beard there. Okay, off you go. Okay, another extra life. We will need these lives later, from what I remember. So, right, there's a bloody gun here. So let's get the gun. Just need to time this. Why am I using the keyboard? I've got a joypad here. Okay, we've got a laser now. There we go. So that's used for killing things, but also for doing puzzles later, as you will see later. Right, let's go through this secret door. Okay, we've got a bloody turret to contend with here. So with this turret we can't deactivate, so we're going to have to dodge it. We can't shoot him either. He's impervious to the old laser gun. So let's see if we can do this. Oh, fuck. Bloody hell, see what I mean? Right, so we first of all need to shoot those filing cabinets out of the way. Like that. Bastard. Let's see if we can do it using the angles. No. Already making a right pig's ear in this. Shoot the fucker. There we are. Okay, we've got a grenade. So grenades can be used, I think, for only blowing up the turrets themselves. You can't blow up doors with them, I don't think. Anyway, we've got our key. We don't give a damn now. Okay, we've got another computer. We've also got bouncing ball things. Let's have a look on the computer first. Genok, we're into your genes. That's all it is, just a bit of an advert. So these balls are some of the bioweapons that they've been developing here. So once they see us, they become invisible, or kind of invisible, and then they try to kill you. So these ones envelop you and then blow you up. But if you're lucky, if you fired a stray bolt of your gun, once you've been enveloped, you can save yourself. You can free yourself from the ball. Okay, so we've secured the room. So the idea is to work our way through this place, securing the place as we go. Okay, so yeah, I've seen this. This game's been remade more recently. I think for the Nintendo Switch, and I think I've seen it elsewhere. And so they've totally revamped the graphics, but in so doing, I think they've taken the heart out of the game. It doesn't seem as, I don't know. This has a nice, you know, that 80s aesthetic to it. I don't know if it is, if that was what they intended, but that's what they've achieved. Otherwise, it seems slightly heartless, I suppose. Oh, another grenade. Right, we need to get rid of that turret. Here we are. Okay. Hello. What's your name? I am Isao Nishimi. Japanese chap. What do you do? I'm a software engineer. What's going on? Well, the security system appears to be performing the opposite function than was intended. Humans are being mistaken for foreign organisms, and these organisms are invisible to sensors. It appears the central computer is no longer in control of the building's functions. Crikey. Now, let's go. Okay, doesn't want to linger. Don't blame him. Right, so we need to open this door. Get back. There we go. Right. How do we open that? Oh, he bowed. That's nice. Ah, wait a second. I remember. Yes, another hidden switch. Yeah, so sometimes these doors require hidden switches. Sometimes, you know, it's a key or whatever. Hello. Right, so he's bimbling between those 2 points, opening and closing the turret. So you need to time this. Fuck. After that, let's get rid of him. Okay, he's trapped. Let's get rid of that. Hello. Right, he just wants to leave. Oh no, he shakes hands. Right, okay. There's a magic eye down there. Oh, that's what that was. Okie dokie. Right, we're all done in there. Another person saved. Let's just blow these chairs up, just because I want to cause a bit of destruction. Okay. Oh, we're cooking. Okie dokie. I did this bit earlier because I've had some problems with this version. I was using for those of you who use emulators, I was using the ADF version just so that I'd be able to save it more easily. But some of the sound effects weren't correctly registering and it was pissing me off. So I'm having to use the WHD load version, which obviously I'm not going to be able to save to, so I've got to do it all in one go now. So this is one of the sound effects that wasn't working. It was just going, which was no good at all. Okay. Those will kill you, obviously. Right. It's ball land. Hell. Okay. There's another ball. Good measure. Shit. Okay. When in doubt, just go berserk. Hello there. Got anything to say? No? Okay, well, off you go then. That box there is nothing, but you can blow it up if you wish. Okay. Right, ideally we want to get one of those balls to go on this force field thing, just so we haven't got to deal with it ourselves. Go on. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Oh, we need to secure it. Okay, good, good, good. Alright, we need a... So that there is the elevator, or the tube, up to the next level. Hey, cool! But nothing to say. Okay. Well, off you go. Wherever the hell you're going. Okay. Up we go. Right, balls aplenty on this one. Good, right. No secrets there. Okay, more of these electric bastard plate things. Okay. Here we go. Lovely. Right. What does that one do? Okay, that's that. If we press this one, I imagine the turrets are going to come out. They bloody are. So how are we going to save? That's what you get for being a prick. Okay. This is going to be a long day. Right, so probably going to have to just time it, I think. So, there we go. Hello there. Bit of a limp handshake, that one. Right, you're going to have to stay right behind me here because I've already lost a life because of you. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get the fuck out. Come on. Come on. Yeah, boy. Okay. Lovely. Right, you can make turrets shoot each other as well if you're lucky, but I don't think I'm going to piss around with that. Hell, how am I going to get back out of there? Okay. There we are. Okay, we've got a new variant on the biological weapon here. These things will squash you to death. They can also turn invisible. It's a bit of a bastard. And we got the balls as well. Okay. Oh, he's going for me then. What you've got to be very careful of in this is shooting the computers. Very easy to do, and sometimes you really need them. Oh, here we are. Jean-Paul Derrida, born in 1971. Okay, 8 years older than me. Education, BS Chemical Engineering, PhD Physics at MIT, PhD in Bioengineering. Previous employment, Protein Biomodification, Russian Defense Ministry. That's a nice job. Holographic Systems, Argentina. Development of next generation Neogen prototype degeneration. Okay, so degeneration is probably the one that's gone apeshit. So we have to go and save the poor chap. Okay. Oh, lovely. Do like a bit of force field action. It is a little tricky control, you know, with the isometric thingamajogs. It's very easy to prick it up. Nothing there. Okay, we've got our key. Yeah, so you're on the diagonals all the time, which isn't always the easiest on a joypad. Anyway, we're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, there's the key. Done. Lovely. All proceeding correctly. Hello. Nice try. Oh. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Just seal off this one. Good. Room is secured. Ah, I remember this. So you've got to be careful here because he can run out and get electrocuted, this chap. So you've got to be careful. There we are. Get me out of here. No, hello, please even. Right. Let's go. Good, good, good. Okay, how am I doing with the old lives? I've lost one of them. 12 lives, okay. Now we're talking. Gonna need each and every one of them, I imagine. Oh, God. Oh, Christ. Right, let's get this ball over here again, as usual, as we did last time. Jolly good. Hello. Right, no chat from this one either. Okay, off you go. Right, which way? Okay, good. So what's the purpose of that, I wonder? Is there a secret? It doesn't appear to be. Okay, rightio. Well, it's totally pointless. Have a key. And we got. So he's doing that. Oh, I see. Do this will open that door, I imagine. Yep. Don't you bastard. Right, going down, ball. What am I doing? Two of the bastards. Good. Oh, I just need to get rid of matey. Right, I remember this bit because I've busted this up a few times in the past. That computer we need to keep alive if possible, so I need to be careful with my shooting. That's not careful. Oh my god. Right, we need to go in there. Get out of that. Took you so long. Heh, just kidding. Hey, who are you anyways? I'm a Corey. I'm trying to find Derrida. Derrida? So what are you doing down here? You've got a long way to go to find him. Hey, look, I found this thing. It's got warning labels on it. Some kind of explosive. You can take it if you just get me out of here, all right? Okay, sure. Great. Oh, I don't think you're going to have much luck getting through that purple door. They never gave me the password to the workstation that opens it. Let's get out of here. Okay. Okay, so... Right. Let's get him... Try and save him first. Let's get him lined up correctly. And go. Okay, so he said he was going to give me a bomb, and he has. Right, we've got a bomb now. You can use the bomb to blow the door up, which is what I normally do, or what I used to do in the past. But I think there's a way of doing it through this computer. Username. Derrida? Oh my god, there's a passcode. I vaguely remember knowing the password somehow. Right, let's have a look. I'm just going to go back here a minute to see if I can... Oh, you silly tit. Yeah, I was thinking of it up here. Maybe there's... No, I thought there might be a number or something. So we are supposed to just blow the bloody thing up. Wait a second. I've just had an idea. I've just had a bloody idea. How about Derrida and his date of birth, which we saw earlier on the computer? Let's try it. 1971. Oh! Could have sworn that was going to be the way. Oh well. So, is there a way of opening that blue one? No. Well, that's annoying. Okay. Got to get a long way away from that thing. Because it's bloody strong. Is that bloody... Okay, I thought there might have been an open book there or something. Okay. Okay, hello, this is Future John speaking here. I'm having to replay the whole fucking game because I ran out of time at the end and you have to start right from the beginning. So I thought I would redo this bit with the old passcode, show you how it's supposed to be done. Okay, we did all this before, so we need the password. I just need to save him to get the bomb, but we won't need that. So, how do we get in that door? Well, there's a devious bloody secret. Shoot this bin. And there we are. How annoying. I worked this out years ago, but I'd forgotten about that. But anyway, there we are. So here we are. Hello? Wasn't the door locked? Sorry. No problem. Good thing you came along anyway. I thought that I was going to scoop out my eyeballs with a spoon and make some nice Christmas ornaments and show them to all my friends. But thank goodness you came along. Oh, I'm sorry. My name's Seth. This is my room. It's a bit small, but do you like it? Do you know the passcode to open the door? Yes, I do. Do you think you could tell it to me? Oh, sure. Well, actually, I'm not supposed to, but I guess I could. Wait, it starts with a P. No, wait, it's ostrich. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Hey, anytime. Want to go get dinner now? Weird. You're weird. Okay, so there we are. That's the password. Well, this didn't come up last time. Oh. Yeah, I'm using the ADF version now because I'll be able to save this one. Oh God, has it all got to be uppercase? Seth and ostrich. So I'll have an extra bomb to play around with now. There we are. Fucking hell. Yes. Okay, there we are. What? Okay. Yeah, I'll let the older John get on with it now. Cheerio. Okay. That would have been cool, wouldn't it, if we'd got the code from his date of birth. Damn it. Ah, right, I remember this as well. This is a teleporter. We're definitely going to die here. So we've got electric there. Okay. Shit. Okay, so that there's a grenade. I mean, I haven't been using my grenades. Shit. Oh no! Brilliant timing, old chum. Okay, let's try it again. I want that grenade. Lovely. Okay, got some grenades now, which I'm not using, but you know. Nice try. It's annoying though. There was a. Oh, we've missed the key somewhere. This doesn't bode well. Ah, fucking hell. I thought I picked that up. Ah, it's because I died, maybe. Damn it. Okay, we've got the bastard now. Okay. It's a shame, we've missed a door back there, but there's no way of it getting in there. I suppose if you did know the code, you could use the bomb on the blue door instead.